Aloha everybody and welcome to Beach Walks with Rocks. Today is show number 183 and you can find us at beachwalks.tv. Aloha everybody. I got down to the beach here rather late. You can see a little bit of sunset sky happening behind me. Anyway, I've been here for 20 minutes, completely enthralled with this amazing swell that is happening at Flat Island. So today is going to be a special surfers edition, and we've got regular surfers, we've got paddling surfers, and we have 6-man canoe surfers. So I hope you enjoy it, and if you'd like to Skype me, you can Skype at Roxanne Darling. If you'd like to call, the number is 949-544-1456, and aloha from Hawaii.
Excellent, the best that Flat Island's been in a long time.
Great.
I think those two.
Quick review of the waves today.
It's the best I've surfed out here in a long time. Definitely good fun.
Into the rocks?
Yeah.
Oh, Leon was talking about that too.
Yeah.
See, it's a dangerous place to surf. Lots of reef.
It's okay. You play, you pay.
It's all good.
He's gonna grin.
Yeah.
Chin.
The smile says it all.
Well, I surfed this morning for 4 hours and I surfed again for about 4 hours, so I'm in need of a Snickers bar. It's really bad.